I'm going to be working today with contact paper you can get right at the Dollar Tree. It's backed by the other contact paper in the kitchen section. And I grabbed this wooden heart. It came in a package of multiple ones. I believe I also got that at the Dollar Tree. And I'm using it to trace out a heart, and then I'm just going to cut it out with a pair of scissors. Then I fold it in half and just make sure everything is even on both sides by passing over with a pair of scissors. I found this jar also at the Dollar Tree. It has a little spot for the little tea candle. It's all part of the top, and I left it all together and added the contact paper shaped heart to the front. You're going to want a mask. And we're going to be using Shortcuts. It's in silver. It's just a little tiny spray can. I don't normally spray indoors, but because it's snowing and cold out, I just am going to do it. And this covers very, very well. So I just gave it a good spray. This dries pretty quickly. And I just took a little razor blade to help me get the heart started on peeling it back up. And it just creates a really nice, crisp shape of whatever you really want. I just chose the heart with Valentine's Day. And then you can decorate your jar. I'm just putting some hot glue, some gingham ribbon around the top. I'm going to take a little piece of jute, tie it around. I'm not going to completely make a tie. I'm just going to have it pass itself. I'm not putting it directly in the center. I'm going to add a little hot glue, and I have a little wooden button I'm going to put on the side. And then I just shortened up my jute. And then I made sure I grabbed myself a little tea candle. They come in a set of 2 at the Dollar Tree. And now you have this really cute little mason jar with the little tea candle to add to your home decor. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now find our videos at chalkatofancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper, or transfers, chalkatofancy.com.